Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by updating and enabling hand tracking. Make sure your headset has the latest firmware so sensors run optimally. Once done, open Settings and toggle hand tracking under System or Experimental. This authorizes the feature. You should clear your play area and position the headset so your hands are visible. Reach forward and open, then close your fingers slowly to let the system detect range and lighting. Do this now to begin accurate tracking and avoid jitter during the next steps. You'll practice core gestures so interactions become fluid, learn pinch for selections, grab for moving objects, point for menus, and thumbs up for confirmations. Make sure your room lighting is even and avoid strong backlight. This improves contrast for the cameras. Face your palms toward the headset when possible and keep motions deliberate at first. Use a simple hand tracking demo or menu to train muscle memory. Once comfortable, move to games and productivity apps to refine timing and pressure control for more complex tasks. You'll refine control and know how to fix common problems. If tracking drifts or loses fingers, move into brighter, even light and face palms to the cameras. This instantly helps. If issues persist, toggle hand tracking off then on, or restart the headset to clear sensor errors. Reposition the headset or reset Guardian if occlusion occurs during play. Finally, recalibrate by repeating the initial gestures. Doing so corrects accuracy and keeps your hands responsive in apps and games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.